Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, how is your experience with online classes? Hello.
It's good.
Since it is your first day, no experience so far.
Good morning, sir.
No experience, sir. Good morning.
It is not that
Since
interactive,
first
sir.
day, we can't tell. When it compares to physical classes, somehow it is lacking.
Yeah, physical classes we have more interaction. You can see the faces and their expressions also.
Yes, sir.
In
Yeah.
virtual classes, no expressions, no discussions, only one way.
Yes, sir.
One way,
So where we are in the
pure one-way
constitution?
communication.
So where we are in the constitution? Have you gone through the syllabus? Yes. Gone through the syllabus?
No, sir.
No expressions, sir. No voice, sir. Hmm? No expression, no voice, nothing. So write the definition of constitution. Only constitution, not constitutional law. Constitution. A body of fundamental principles are established
Once more, sir. The body of
fundamental principles are established
principles
So principles of or
or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is acknowledged to be governed. So what you understand with this definition? A body of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is acknowledged to be governed. Means can you
state
explain
or
how
The framework
organization
which
have
is
fundamental
what to
principles.
do and not to do.
Which part of a rules and responsibilities are delegated to any particular part of a body? Like it is explained in detail, like in that manner.
Okay. Next, anyone?
A set
So
of rules
which
included in a single body.
Operation of the political communities.
So which word is more important in this definition?
Which is structural
Framework.
rule book for government?
Have you written this definition? Constitution definition? In this definition, which word or which
Fundamental principles govern.
Fundamental principles.
how it is?
Is that the body
How
of
it is?
it the body of the law?
The body of the rules.
Principles, sir.
Principles. How
These
the
are the
principles?
essentials for society.
Principles, huh? Fundamental principles. You think it is
The
more
body of
important?
the
Huh?
rules. The body of the rules practices that govern of the political communities.
No, I am asking. I have written a definition which contains around 10 words, isn't it?
Yes.
Around 10 to 15 words. Which word is most important to define a constitution?
Important political communities has been the states.
Where is political community in this?
Framework is more important. Sir. Framework
Where is framework?
is more important.
Where is framework? Have you understood my question? Just I will read once again. Pick the important word.
Sir.
I will repeat it once again. And pick the important words and define why it is important, okay? The body of fundamental principles. So, Prasad, mute. The body of fundamental principles are established precedents according to which a state or other organization is acknowledged to be governed. This is a definition. Okay. In this, what are the words you think it is more important?
Precedence
defines,
according to state.
Precedents.
The principles and acknowledge.
Acknowledging is more important.
Acknowledging is more important
Acknowledgence is more important.
because
Yes, sir.
you can frame your constitution, but who will acknowledge you? You have your own constitution or ideas or any other achievements or practices. When it is acknowledged by the other person, it is more important. So who acknowledges the constitution?
Every citizen.
No.
Government.
Government or the state. So either it is a constitution, it will have certain laws, or when it is in the, who acknowledges your degree?
University.
Then who acknowledges your practice?
The mentor or the senior.
Indian Law Council.
Bar council. Because you are practicing with the so and so regulatory authority, it is bar council. The same way we have every aspect should be acknowledged by someone. For in law, who acknowledge the law? We have discussed in the physical classes how the law will come.
Parliament.
Parliament. And last consent by the
Judiciary.
President. Okay. President. Recently, you can go. I have discussed with a couple of laws. One is with drone law, draft drone law, and surrogacy law. How many people are gone through these two laws at the time of drafting? Or at the suggestions, at the stage of suggestions? No one, huh? How many people are gone through just a news content with these two? Drafting, either surrogacy or sports or drone. No one. So try to get some of the drafted laws. You can see in the website, the parliament or the ministry. You can go with the draft. Then you will have some basic knowledge how the law will be drafted. So we can discuss the Constitution of India. Okay, you can write this. The Constitution of India which is also known as Bharatiya Samvidhan. Is the supreme law of India.
Once again, sir.
The Constitution of India which is also known as Bharatiya Samvidhan. Is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework that demarcates fundamental political code. Political code. Structure, procedures, powers,
What, sir?
powers, procedures, powers, and duties of government, institutions, and sets out the fundamental rights directive principles and the duties of the citizen. It is the longest written constitution of any country. The jurisdiction of the Constitution is. So what is the jurisdiction? jurisdiction.
Limits, like
India.
geographical limits.
Yes. The Constitution of India geographical limits is India. Ratified on 26th November 1949. Date of effective is from 26th January 1950 in the system of federal parliamentary constitutional republic. And the branches are executive, legislature, and judiciary. And the chambers of the Constitution are Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. The executive is led by Prime Minister, and the cabinet is the responsible to the lower house of the parliament. Judiciary, the Supreme Court, High Courts, and District Courts. And the Electoral College for presidential
Sir, once again.
college,
Electoral College is for presidential and vice presidential elections. So, who are the authors of the Constitution?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Yes, the chairman of the drafting committee is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly is
B.N. Rao.
yes. Chief draftsman of the Constituent Assembly is who?
Surendranath Mukherjee.
Yes. How many members has signed in the Constituent Assembly? Constituent Assembly.
256.
284.
52.
284 members has signed. The Government of India Act 1935. The Government of India Act 1935 and Indian Independence Act 1947 as supersedes the Constitution of India. The Constitution declares India as sovereign, socialist, secular,
Democratic.
and democratic republic. Assures its citizens
Republic.
Republic assures its citizens justice, equality, and liberty. And endeavors to promote fraternity,
Endeavor to protect.
promote fraternity, the words secular and socialist were added to the preamble by 42nd Amendment Act 1976.
Preamble.
What, sir?
19
After preamble.
After preamble.
added after preamble.
Were added to the preamble.
1 minute. Socialist and secular were added to the preamble by 42nd Amendment Act
1946.
1976, not 46.
76. Sorry.
During the
Sir, please do repeat. Preamble by.
The words social, secular and socialist were added to the preamble by 42nd Amendment Act 1976 during the emergency. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your assignment for tomorrow is just go through with this background of the Constitution. So limit yourself where you are interested. Okay. Just you can Google it or you can go anywhere. And what is the background according to you of Constitution of India? Okay. You
Okay,
can
sir.
write it as a points or as a small notes, or you can express in the class. Background of Constitution of India as your assignment. Okay.
Okay.
So that's all for the day. Tomorrow you can meet. Any other classes?
No, sir. Today is over.
No, sir.
Last class.
It's finished, huh?
Yes, sir.
This was the
Okay.
last class.
Sorry?
This was the last class.
Last class, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do join regularly classes and prepare. Do join regular in the online classes.
Yes, sir.
Prepare yourself while coming to the class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Rajashree,
Yes.
please send me the notes now. My internet is disconnected.
Which notes you are asking?
Today he said no, the Constitution of India definition.
Okay.
Please tell me, send me the first page.
I don't have your contact number.
My number is 88979.
Make a note of it. Yeah, tell. Double
8979 88979
979
27144.
You can copy paste definition. I have pasted in this chat box.
Someone has,
Yeah, it
can someone just send the pictures in
Okay,
the group?
Okay, Rajashree. Thank you.
People from the official group to the unofficial.
You are not added in the official one?
I am added in the official, but in official only admins can send messages.
Okay.
You are not added in unofficial, you are telling?
Yes, you are right.